Japanese longevity secret, the one habit that activates your body's hidden youth switch. If you apply this Japanese secret, you can slow aging, prevent disease, and extend your life by decades. This is possible because scientists discovered a hidden repair system inside your body that works like a switch. Imagine a cleaning crew inside your body. They sweep away damaged cells. They recycle waste. They rebuild your tissues. They even destroy precancerous cells before they spread. This is not a myth. It is proven by Nobel Prize-winning science. In 2016, Japanese scientist Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi received the Nobel Prize for his discovery of autophagy, a natural cellular process that literally means self-eating. Autophagy sounds unusual, but it is the most powerful anti-aging process your body has. When it activates, your cells clean themselves, remove toxic junk, repair broken DNA, recycle mitochondria, and rejuvenate tissues. It is your hidden youth switch. When it works, you feel young, energized, and resilient. When it slows down, aging damage piles up. Wrinkles deepen, fat builds, and chronic disease starts to grow. But here is where Japan's oldest doctors and longest living people show us the way. They have been unknowingly activating this hidden youth switch for centuries with a simple daily practice called Hara Hachi Bu. This phrase means eat until you are 80% full. It sounds simple, but it is life-changing. It is the very reason why Okinawans, the people of Japan's southern islands, have the highest concentration of centenarians in the world. They eat slowly, chew carefully, and stop before they feel stuffed. This habit allows their bodies to enter light fasting states every single day, and that fasting window triggers autophagy naturally. Science now proves what Japanese culture has lived for thousands of years. Eating less and leaving space in your stomach is not just about discipline. It activates the youth switch that keeps cells young. Studies show that calorie restriction and intermittent fasting extend lifespan in animals by up to 40%. In humans, it lowers the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's, and cancer. One landmark study published in Nature confirmed that fasting activates powerful cellular repair pathways. Another research in cell metabolism showed that simply restricting eating to specific time windows improves health markers in just weeks. Autophagy clears away damaged proteins like beta amyloid, which is linked to Alzheimer's disease. It burns fat stored around the organs, reducing risk of heart failure. It even destroys precancerous cells before they grow. In other words, your body has a built-in anti-aging system. You just need to know how to flip the switch. And that switch is not in a pill or supplement. It is in your eating habits. Okinawans naturally follow this. They eat smaller bowls filled with vegetables, seaweed, tofu, miso, and purple sweet potatoes. They practice portion control. They live with an ancient Confucian reminder to stop eating when the stomach is 8/10 full. This small act creates long breaks where the body is not digesting but repairing. That is why Okinawan elders stay healthy well past 90 and 100. They garden, walk, dance, and live independently, while Western counterparts often struggle with chronic illness. What makes this more fascinating is that Okinawan elders never set out to biohack longevity. They simply lived their cultural wisdom. Yet, when modern scientists studied them, they discovered the same pathways that Nobel Prize science would later validate. It shows us that nature and tradition knew the truth long before labs did. But why does eating less matter so much? Because constant eating keeps insulin high, keeps growth pathways active, and prevents repair. When you eat all day, your body is focused on digestion and storage. It never gets the break it needs to clean house. But when you stop eating for a while, insulin drops, growth signals calm, and the body switches to repair mode. This is when autophagy ignites. Damaged mitochondria, broken proteins, and worn-out cells are consumed and recycled. New, fresh cells take their place. This explains why fasting improves skin clarity, energy, and mental focus. It is not magic, it is biology, and Okinawans do it daily without even trying. But why does eating less matter so much? Because constant eating keeps insulin high, keeps growth pathways active, and prevents repair. When you eat all day, your body is focused on digestion and storage. It never gets the break it needs to clean house. But when you stop eating for a while, insulin drops, growth signals calm, and the body switches to repair mode, repair. The Nobel Prize discovery proved that autophagy is essential for survival. Without it, cells collapse under waste. In experiments, organisms that lack autophagy genes age rapidly, develop cancers, and lose brain function. But when autophagy is supported, life extends. That is why researchers now connect it with longevity. And the easiest way to trigger it is by simply eating a little less and waiting longer between meals. It is fascinating to see how the world's healthiest centenarians live in sync with this truth. Now let's talk about timing. Science shows that the overnight fasting window is the most powerful. If you finish dinner early and delay breakfast, you create a 12 to 14 hour gap. This is enough to activate your youth switch without extreme diets. That means if you eat dinner at 7 p.m. and breakfast at 9 a.m., you've already supported autophagy. Studies confirm that time-restricted eating improves insulin sensitivity, boosts fat burning, and enhances cellular repair. You don't need 24-hour fasts or strict programs. You just need consistency. And this is something Okinawans already practice with lighter dinners and smaller breakfasts. But diet quality also matters. Autophagy needs the right nutrients, and Japanese elders supply them naturally. Purple sweet potatoes, rich in anthocyanins, fight oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. Seaweed provides iodine and minerals to support thyroid and metabolism. Green tea, packed with catechins, activates cellular pathways that mimic fasting. Fermented foods like miso, natto, and pickled vegetables strengthen gut health, which in turn improves immunity and repair. Fish provides omega-3 fatty acids, reducing heart disease risk. Bitter melon regulates blood sugar. All of these foods align with the principle of supporting the body rather than stressing it. When combined with Hara Hachi Bu, the effect multiplies. Western science now calls this nutrient-dense, low-calorie eating. But in Japan, it's simply tradition. Elders eat more plants, less meat, fewer calories, and yet get more nutrition. The result? Low rates of cancer, cardiovascular disease, and obesity. A study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition on the Okinawan diet showed it is nutrient-dense, antioxidant-rich, and naturally low in calories. This matches perfectly with what science says is needed to slow aging. So, what can you expect if you follow this habit? In the first 2 weeks, you will notice more energy and better sleep. By week 3 and 4, you may see clearer skin, sharper focus, and lighter digestion. By 2 to 6 months, immunity strengthens, inflammation drops, and anti-aging effects become visible. This timeline is not theory. It is proven by countless people who live this way. Now let's pause and think, why do most people not follow this? Because modern life teaches us to eat more, snack more, and fear hunger. Food companies encourage constant eating, but your body does not need constant fuel. It needs balance. Imagine your body as a house. If you keep throwing in new furniture without cleaning, the house becomes crowded, dirty, and unlivable. But if you pause, clean, recycle, and reorganize, the house stays beautiful for decades. That is what autophagy does for your cells. That is why Hara Hachi Bu is the key. So remember this. You don't need an expensive anti-aging pill. You don't need luxury treatments. You don't need complicated hacks. The secret to longevity is already inside you. Your body has the most advanced anti-aging system ever designed. You just need to know how to turn it on. And the key is this Japanese secret. Stop at 80%. Stretch your fasting window. Eat nutrient-rich foods. Autophagy is more than a repair process. It is the shield that protects you from aging and disease. When it is active, your body scans every cell for damage. Broken proteins are destroyed. Faulty mitochondria are recycled. Now let's look deeper into food. The Japanese longevity diet is not about starving. It is about nourishment with fewer calories. So how do you apply this Japanese longevity secret in your own life starting tonight? The steps are simple but powerful, and they do not require you to move to Okinawa or buy expensive supplements. Step 1 is to practice Hara Hachi Bu, eating until you are 80% full. Step 2 is to extend your overnight fasting window. Step 3 is to eat foods that boost autophagy naturally. Step 4 is to stay active in simple ways. Step 5 is to stay consistent. Now imagine your future with these habits. Instead of waking up tired, you feel energized. Instead of carrying excess fat, your body is leaner and lighter. Instead of brain fog, you enjoy clarity and focus.